Hello students, I am Mansi with you. So here I am going to cover the first chapter of your moment book, that is The Lost Child, and this is written by Mulk Raj Anand. So let me tell you the brief introduction of this chapter first. Here we will talk about a little child who goes to the fair with his parents. He is so happy, he was so excited and wants the sweets and toys displayed there. Means he was fascinated by the sweets, with the sweets and the toys that was displayed in the fair. But his parents don't buy them for him. His parents denied that no, we will not buy these sweets and toys for you. So this little child was so sad. But now here the question arises that why then does he refuse? Refuse means denied when someone else offers him them to him. तब वही sweets and same toys that he wants before, उसने मना क्यों कर दिया बाद में when someone was offering him? This is the question here. So now let me tell you the explanation of this chapter. It was the festival of spring. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. It means that here wintry shade means winter season that was ended and now it's time for spring season. So each and everyone was happy as the winter season has ended, because winter में क्या होता है, mostly सभी को घर में रहना होता है. So now each and everyone was happy as this is the spring season, and some were running. They were coming out of their home. They were so happy. Clad humanity means they were wearing new clothes and they were running here and there. They all were enjoying in different. They all were enjoying. अलग अलग तरीके से सब एंजॉय कर रहे थे. Some were walking, some rode on the horses, others sat being carried in the bamboo and bullock carts. One little boy ran between his father's leg. So in this chapter we will talk about this little boy. He was running between the father's leg, brimming over with life and laughter. Here brimming over means like suppose here is a glass and that is full of water. वो पूरा water से fill है glass. अगर आप उसमें और water डालेंगे then what will happen? The water will come over the edge. Okay, बाहर निकलने लगेगा. So now here brimming over means in this chapter that the little boy was so happy. He was so excited that he can't control his feeling. He was so happy because he was going to the fair with his parents. So now as this here you can see in the picture also. Come, 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 called his parents as he lagged behind. Lagged behind means he left behind. Fascinated. Fascinated means attracted by the toys in the shop that lined the way. Means here the little boy was attracted. He was fascinated by the toys that was displayed outside the shop. जो शॉप के बाहर जितने भी टॉयज लगे हुए थे, बच्चे ने उसको देखा and he was attracted by that. वो इतना ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट हो गया टॉयज से कि वो वहीं पर खड़ा हो गया और टॉयज को देखने लगा. Then suddenly his parents saw him that he was left behind. So his parents called him, come, come, come and join us. Okay. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call. Obedient to their call means जैसे कि उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको बुलाया, so he moved toward his parents. उसने अपने पेरेंट्स की बात को फॉलो किया और वो उनकी तरफ चला गया. But still his eyes lingering on the receding toys. Receding toys means that was left behind. जो टॉयज पीछे छूट गए थे, still his eyes was lingering to that. He was lasting for them. मीन्स उसकी इच्छा थी कि मैं ये टॉयज को खरीदूं. As he come to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress to the desire of his heart. Suppress means put to an end and desire means wish. वो wish को मतलब उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा wish थी, उसकी ये इच्छा थी कि मैं ये टॉयज को खरीदूं. Even though उसको ये पता था that he well knew the old cold stare of the refusal in their eyes. मतलब इसको ये पता था कि मेरे पेरेंट्स हमेशा मेरे को मना करते हैं, टॉयज नहीं दिलवाते हैं इस तरह से. He knew this thing. He know about the cold stare. कोल्ड मीन्स विदाउट एनी फीलिंग, विदाउट एनी इमोशंस. स्टेयर का मतलब घूर कर देखना, कि उसके पेरेंट्स उसकी तरफ इस तरह से देखते थे कि वो समझ जाता था कि अब मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे को टॉयज नहीं दिलवाएंगे. But then also, he know this thing, but then also he pleaded. Pleaded means he requested that I want that toy. अब तब request की तो what happened? Let's see here. His father looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant way. Red-eyed means his father looked at him with red face. He was so angry in his familiar. Familiar means जैसा अभी तक वो हमेशा करते थे. क्या करते थे? उसकी तरफ देखते थे. किस तरह से? In a tyrant way. Tyrant way means in a cruel way, or you can say in an oppressive way.